Exactly 2 patients means that x is equal to 2. So we would type binomial PDF 3, 0.9, 2, and that would be 0.243. Exactly 3 means x is equal to 3. So we would type binomial PDF 3, 0.9, 3. That's equal to 0.729. And then no patients would be x is equal to 0, which we would type binomial PDF 3, 0.9, 0. And my calculator gives me 1e negative 3, which means we need to move the decimal place 3 places to the left, which would be 0.001. So the 3 answers that we got here are consistent with the answers that we got to 4, 5, and 6.